If you are planning a home renovation, follow these simple steps for success. Step 1. Start by identifying problem areas in your home that needs attention. This could be a leaky roof, an outdated bathroom, or cramped kitchen. Step 2. Once you identify the problem, research and find the best solution for your budget and needs. Consider hiring a professional contractor to ensure the job is done right. Step 3. And before starting the renovation, be sure to obtain any necessary permit to make sure that you have a plan in place for disposing construction waste. And finally, take action and start on the renovation project and enjoy the process. And remember, the end result will be well worth the effort that you're putting in. And if you want to buy or sell, invest in real estate, reach out to me and you will be delighted that you did. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Peace.